Hi guys, it is pizza time. So today I'll be showing you how I make my pizza, my cauliflower pizza, how I like it. So right now I am boiling my cauliflower. I just added salt in my hot water. Then I add those cauliflower. Now that my cauliflower is okay, I'm taking it out from the boiling water. Don't overcook your cauliflower, guys. It must be crunchy. So I will be blending my cauliflower in my food processor. You can use a grater if you do not have a food processor, or you can just smash it with potato smasher. So while my cauliflower is cooling down, I am frying my onion for our topping. So now that I have sauteed my onion, I'm adding my chicken, my ground chicken. Continue to stir, add salt and pepper. Okay, we are going back to our first mixture. I'm adding my eggs, 3 eggs. Yes. As you can see, I'm mixing my cauliflower with 3 eggs. Now that I'm done, I'll be adding my flour, half a cup of flour, and mix it together. Guys, I only use 2 heads of cauliflower and 3 eggs, then half cup of flour. Mix it thoroughly, guys. Mix it very well. Okay. Let's pour it there in our baking pan. This is very simple, guys. I've only used a few ingredients in this pizza, but trust me, this is very tasty, very yummy. I'm spreading this dough. Yes. We are almost there, guys. We are almost there. It is a very, very simple pizza, but it is very delicious. Let's add our ketchup, tomato ketchup, then spread it all over our pizza. Yes, let's spread it all over our pizza dough. We are almost done, guys. We are almost done. Only 3 ingredients left before we are finished. We are almost there, guys. This is very tasty, very yummy. You can make it for your kids, for your family, for your guest. This is very tasty. I'm adding my ring onions in there. They actually do make a difference in this pizza, guys. Yay, this pizza is very tasty, very, very tasty. We are almost there, guys. Almost there. Only 2 ingredients before we are done. Oh yes, our chicken. We are adding our ground chicken in there. Yes, our minced chicken, minced cooked chicken. Very simple. There's no spice in there, guys. No spice at all. Only salt and pepper. This one is very healthy than the pizza that we usually make. So now it's our cheese time, guys. Our last ingredient in our pizza. I'm adding my cheese. This is cheddar and a gouda cheese. Actually, you can add any kind of cheese that you have at home or any kind of cheese that you like. Almost there, guys. We are done. As you can see, that pizza, I'm taking it out from the oven, guys. Yo, the smell in the kitchen. It is smelling very good, guys. This is a great smell. Yo, delicious, yummy, tasty pizza, guys. Thank you so much. Please like my video, guys. Please, for those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much. Yo, this is looking good and tasting good and smelling good.